Hi, this is Miss Legs again. I'm back. Today I have my doggy. Come here. Come here. This is my doggy Black down here. And he's a mixed dog, so I'm doing a video today to show you that that's just how he acts to everybody else. He's a nice dog to us, our family. This is the family side of our dog. This is my 3-year-old. Give Black the treat, Kurt.
Oh, it is.
Come here, doggy.
Come here, doggy. Come here, doggy.
Somebody help Kirk out. He can't do the kissy noise good enough.
Right there. Right there.
Good job.
Good job, boy. Good.
Here, give him another one.
Here, I'll do.
Give it to Kirk.
Here, Black, Black, Black.
I don't have the treats.
Ah! Good job.
Here, give it to Kirk. Get down. Trying to steal it in the middle. Move, Black.
Work.
Go sit. Hey, sit. He keeps looking at me. He's like, you got all the treats. You weren't supposed to give it to him. You were supposed to make him sit. But either way, the point is the same. The point is, my dog took treats from a very small child, and he did not bite the child. I would not recommend this with any other children. I don't give them the chance. These are my children, and this is my dog loving his family. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Now this is my 5-year-old son. Call the dog over. You have a treat for the dog?
Mm-hmm.
Give him a treat.
What? Go.
Now look how he gently took the treat, even though the kid had his his fingers out. You're supposed to give a dog a treat with your hand open so that your fingers aren't in the way. But he gave the dog a treat, full fingers out, and the dog gently took it. And he is so rough. Now try to call him. Call him like you're on a pedal. He's trying to get more food. He's only interested in more treats right now. He's actually acting just like a dog. He's sniffing. He's smelling his hands. He doesn't smell treats in his hands. There you go. No, I don't want you. Go see what Keontae want. Go, Keontae. Pet him, Keontae. Scoot over by the wall so I can see you. And you pet Black? Very good. Yeah, you can pet him. And he just gives it up. And he just releases all surrender to the kids. He gets soft. He turns into a soft dog.
Oh my God.
This is my son, and he's going to show that Black is nice. All right, sit down, Myron, and call the dog over.
Come here, boy. Is he a good? Is this a good boy? Or is this a bad boy? Come on, look at me. Oh, you don't want to look at me.
Tap your lap so he'll come up there.
Alright, so now you want to look at me? Yeah, you like
Yeah, he likes to scratch behind the ears.
I got magic fingers. I got magic fingers for you, boy. You like my hand? You like my magic fingers? You like it, huh?
Is that you, Myron Black? Is that you, Myron?
Who's your good boy?
Is that your boy? Is that your boy? There he goes. Now he's trying to play.
I got you. 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 What?
Now notice how gently my dog is not biting my son, even though my son has his whole hand. Okay, right then he felt like he bit my son a little too hard. Now he's licking him. My son just punched him. And he is being very gentle with the dog. I mean, the dog is being very gentle with the kid.
No. Reinforcements! Dino dog! I got you! Yeah, I got you! Oh, things are turning around! He's coming! He's laying! He got me!
Alright, Black, that's enough licking. That's my baby. That's my baby.